Devintelle Law Management System. Make managing legal work simple with our Law Management Odoo app. See case progress, hearing, and reports clearly on the advanced dashboard. Lawyers and admins can securely access only what they need for easy management. Set up case stages, courts, and judge the way your practice needs. Create advice, track consultation, and send invoice quickly and easily. Add cases, track progress, schedule hearing, and manage evidence smoothly. View all client and lawyer details, including cases, hearing, and evidence. Organize and find documents and evidence easily with separate menu. Create case and hearing reports to get better insight and track performance. So ready to transfer your law? Contact us today at 87805 43446 or email at odoo@devintelles.com.